My high school boyfriend and I broke up, and one of the big points after the breakup was my streak was gonna die. And I was crying to my dad, like, I'm not gonna have, like, I have to break this streak. We broke up. Like, what am I gonna do?
I always told her I would be around longer than any other guy. Here we are 7.5 years later, haven't missed a day. I'm Craig.
And I'm Melanie, and our streak is 2,730 days.
Before we started the streak, we'd fight a lot. We'd argue over everything. So the fact that we can get to here, that's an accomplishment for the two of us. This streak meant something and became important when she went for college. I got to see how she was doing every morning, so I knew if I had to call her or text her more, that's when it meant something to me.
I did not expect the streak to last this long at all. Kind of get to a point where you don't want it to die.
We talk about not wanting the streak broken, but for me, that's secondary. I love that morning connection of my daughter.
The way, at least for many years, I communicated with my friends and kind of helped make my dad more personal. It's fun.
I love the lenses. I love looking silly, taking myself out of that dad role.
For me, it's the always having something constant, because right now in my life, there are no constants. The fact is, I know I'll always get a streak. Sometimes I even wait to open it until a little bit later, knowing it's gonna be a bad day, so I wanna end my day with something funny.
The dynamic has changed in that we are not only parent-child, but we're also friends, and we're very good friends, and we can be open and vulnerable and human with each other, and it doesn't change that we're also father and daughter, and we have that dynamic too.
Yes, you're my dad, but you are, as much as you hate to admit it, you are one of my best friends too. You do know everything that goes on in my life, basically because of Snapchat.